In this video, you'll learn how to set up automatic feedback on your eBay account. By following these steps, you will streamline the feedback process, ensuring that your buyers receive timely responses without requiring manual intervention. Start by logging into your eBay account. Once you're on your main account page, navigate to the top right corner and click on Account. This will direct you to your account settings. From here, look for the section labeled Feedback Preferences. Click on this to open the Feedback Settings menu. Within the Feedback Preferences, locate the option for Automated Feedback. This section allows you to manage the settings related to automatic feedback. Review the available triggers carefully, as these dictate when feedback will be sent to buyers. You can choose specific actions that will prompt feedback, such as when a transaction is completed. After selecting your preferred triggers, confirm the activation status to ensure that the automation is enabled. Next, you will need to create a message template for the automatic feedback. Click on the option to write a feedback message. Compose a short, positive message that reflects your professionalism. It is important to keep the wording polite and avoid any promotional content that may detract from the message's purpose. Once you are satisfied with the template, save it after reviewing for any spelling or grammatical errors. A well-written message enhances your reputation as a seller. After setting up your template, it is advisable to test the function to ensure everything works correctly. If possible, complete a small test order to see if feedback is sent automatically. After the transaction, check the formatting of the message that was sent. This is an opportunity to make any necessary adjustments to your template. Monitoring the first few transactions will help ensure that the automation operates reliably. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.